everyone, I'm Sandra Elisa Loofbourow, the tasting room director here at the Crown, Royal Coffee's lab and tasting room. This is part of a series we're doing on brew methods, and today we're going to talk about best practices for infusion brewing. First, what is infusion brewing? Infusion involves pouring fresh hot water over a bed of coffee grounds and then letting the water drain out the bottom of the brew device. Infusion brewing is a more efficient brew method, generally speaking, but it also involves more variables. There are two main kinds of pour-over or infusion brew devices. The first is flat-bottom brewers. You may be familiar with brewers like Kalita or Bee House or Stag. These are brewers with walls and a flat bottom so that the bed of coffee forms a flat sort of cake. The other kind of brew device is a cone-shaped pour-over brewer like a V60, a Chemex, or a Phoenix from St. Anthony Industries. These form a V shape, and the coffee bed doesn't have a flat bottom but narrows towards the bottom of the brewer, creating a funnel. Let's talk about the phases of infusion brewing. The first and most important is the bloom. Blooming your coffee means pre-wetting or saturating the grounds with a little bit of water to allow that water to be absorbed by the coffee grounds and to allow those grounds to degas or release some carbon dioxide that might create turbulence and agitation that you don't want in the remainder of your brew process. The next phase I'm going to call pulse pours. This involves pouring a specific amount of water at specific time intervals over your brew bed. And finally, we have the end phase or the drawdown. This involves letting all of the brew water drain through the brew bed and finishing your extraction. There are a few variables that we need to control to manipulate the rate of extraction. These are most importantly grind size, contact time, and water temperature. For more information on brew variables, please check out our video on that subject. That's our brief overview of infusion brewers or pour-over devices. Please check out our upcoming video on immersion brewers, and remember to look at our website www.royalcoffee.com for webinars, on-demand classes, and useful articles to improve your coffee technique. Thanks!